So you've just added SRS to your scene and you're noticing some weird issues, such as there being a big gradient on the sunlit side of your mesh, or there being no shadow on your mesh. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix these issues. First, let's address the lack of shadow on our mesh. This is because our skylight is brighter than SRS is configured to handle. There are two ways you can fix this. Firstly, the simple way is to just make your skylight less bright. Right now this is set to 5. If we set this to 1, you will see a shadow appear on our mesh. If you need your skylight to be this bright, a different fix would be to go to the default shading tab, because this is a non-metallic mesh, and increase the shadow size. And the further you increase it, the bigger your shadow will be. These two methods shown previously are also the way you can fix a shadow that is too big or too small. All you have to do is either adjust your sun and skylights or adjust the shadow size parameter. Now keep in mind that you also have to adjust the shadow size parameter for metallic objects. Now let's address the gradient at the sunlit side. This is because of two reasons. Firstly, our skylight is way too bright. Secondly, our sunlight is way too bright. Now, we could fix this by first reducing the intensity of our sunlight, but a small gradient still remains. This is because of the skylight. We can also make our skylight less bright, and this will be fixed. Now, as we've done this, we need to reset the shadow size, and everything will be alright. However, once again, you may not want to reduce the brightness of your sunlight and skylight. And a fix for this, a way around the problem then would be to once again increase your shadow size. And now, to get rid of this gradient, you could either disable dynamic lights, which is the cause for this, or we could calibrate our dynamic lights to know that this should not be the effect of a point light. So we're going to have to navigate to Stylized rendering system, blueprints, to the light calibration actor and drag this into our scene. And now, in our dynamic lights, click this check mark right here next to calibration mode. Now, adjust the calibration adjustment parameter, component by component, until your screen is completely black. Make sure to not increase the brightness of any parameter any more than is absolutely necessary. Now exit calibration mode, and you will see there is no more gradient on our mesh. Now you may face one different problem, which is something like this. This happens when the brightness of your sunlight is set to 0. The only fix for this is to increase the intensity of your sunlight. Another reason this may happen is because you do not have atmosphere sunlight checked in the settings of your sunlight. So to fix this, just check it.